Yeah. I like how I ride, man. I just be sliding up on them and shit, man. You know, she like gifts and shit. I don't know, man. I never needed gifts, nigga, on some different shit. I like to pull up, I'm not gon' never switch. I still get the breakfast, nigga, with the egg and grits. I got the 750, nigga, with a foreign kit. Yeah, I push the Porsche, nigga, like a lift. Woo! I push the Porsche, nigga, like a lift. I stay sippin' Chris, you say for the Duchess. Yeah, I swear, nigga, used to ride the buses. Now it's foreigns all I'm cuffin'. I got a thick.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy Tasman Holloway. But today's a tragic day. We lost one of the most iconic basketball players to ever do it. Today's vlog is gonna probably be a little different. I wasn't vlogging last year when we lost Nipsey. Very iconic person I looked up to as well. Somebody I had the pleasure to actually work with in the studio and see his talent, and his greatness, and his presence, and his aura. And losing Kobe, I mean, you know, yeah, I don't know Kobe, you know, but you know, being that kid that he didn't live with his mom, and you know, I grew up in, I had a rough time, you know, coming up as an adolescent, as a kid, you know what I mean? So Kobe was like, every Sunday I go to my grandma, Madea, rest in peace to my grandma, I go to Madea's house, and she'd be making bologna, you know, and I'd be watching Kobe, Van Exel, you know, Eddie Jones, all these great legend guys, you know, play basketball, and it was just iconic, you know, it was iconic to just be able to be a part of that, you know, and be of that era and watch him carry his legacy, get 5 rings. I used to argue about it in my barbershops all the time, like, you know, Kobe, because I thought Kobe was just the man. I you know, to me, Kobe could do no wrong. He just was always like the man, and to see it come to this, man, it's just, you know, in a plane crash or a helicopter crash with his daughter, you know, it's very iconic, man. It's very iconic, man, and just to see it end in such a tragic, you know, disbelief, man. The world, I believe, is stunned. You know, of course, people didn't like Kobe, you know what I'm saying, for whatever reason, but I don't care who you don't like. You know, no man deserves to die with his daughter beside him in a plane helicopter crash. You know, I don't question God. I don't question his manner of, you know, what he does. But sometimes in life, we don't understand we don't have the answers, or we don't understand the, you know, things that are at hand. But it's just a sad day, you know. I wanted to vlog because I wanted everybody to comment down below, what do they feel was like Kobe's most iconic moment, or, you know, what was your take on Kobe? What was your highlight, you know, Kobe moment? So this vlog, I'm gonna throw some Kobe highlights, man, and just enjoy the moment of Kobe Bryant, the greatness, and a moment of silence for Kobe. Very, very sad, tragic day. You know, I named my son after Kobe Bryant. My son's name is Jacoby Cash Holloway. So he's named after Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, and Cassius Clay, which is Muhammad Ali, and after his father, which is my last name is Holloway. So, very stunned. I'm at a loss of words right now, and you know, prayers go out to Vanessa Bryant and the other 2 daughters he had, and I can't wrap my mind around it. I just can't, you know. You know, hug your kids, hug your family, man. Kiss the loved ones you got while they're here, because one thing that's promised is death. You know, we all gonna leave one and perish one day, but sometimes, you know, we all wish we could just stay around forever. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna let this vlog kind of get a moment of silence. I'm gonna give a big tribute to Kobe. And Kobe, you know, that was one of my favorite players. I thought he was better than Jordan. If anyone who knows me knows, I argued that in my shops. You know, Kobe's better than Jordan. So they thought I was crazy for that, you know what I mean? But I loved Kobe, man. That was like my idol, you know what I mean, growing up. So we're gonna dedicate this vlog to Kobe Bryant. Kobe, rest in peace, man. God bless your soul and your family and your daughters. And rest in peace to little baby Gigi. God bless. Let you guys get into this B-roll of Kobe Bryant.
It's a 2-on-1. Kobe and Surra, the alley-oop, and Kobe with the dunk and the foul as well.
That's why Kobe gave it up.
From the Lakers, and Bryant trying to go behind his back, and Boykins the other way, and they'll finish off with Andre Miller. Maybe.
Hey, Kobe did not give up on that play. How about that play?
Now that's leadership. That's the kind of stuff he wants to do and exude, and he plays defense at the other end.
Start with Shaq. He gives it to Walton. Here comes Kobe.
Kobe's the main man. 5-5, got it. Hamilton, the shot, the three, yes! Kobe Bryant drains the three. 2.1 left on the clock. We're deadlocked at 89. Unbelievable. Tries to pass it, gets it. Kobe, and Kobe throws it back over his right ear. And it went in.
Now the single covered by Landry. Ariza dropped down. Kobe! Oh! Up high! Down hard! Kobe Bryant! Oh, no, he didn't. Over the glass, Kobe! Give me a break! Welcome to the circus.
And he only shot that ball because he says, I'm getting an and one. I know they're going to hear the whistle.
Play through it. Good point. Battier watching Kobe. Scooping, driving, and putting it in. How in the world did he do that?
He passed himself off the backboard. That was a planned play, Kevin. I've seen him do that a lot.
Looking for Bryant. Bryant out deep. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. For the win. Got it.
We talked about him patterning his game after Michael Jordan, and this was Jordan-esque right here. Kobe Bryant just breaking the Charlotte Hornets' heart with that shot. And Kobe Bryant made an MVP of the All-Star game type of shot.
In game 3, Bryant around Christie. They show so good on Bloody Divas.
Well, Kobe really attacked. Now, Doug Christie's second-team all-defense, so this guy's no slouch out there defensively. But Kobe's got him sized up right now. He's going exactly where he wants to go on the floor.
Then they had the coaching change. And remember, Mike Krzyzewski was going to be the guy. It could have been his job. Yeah, pass on it. Here goes Kobe. Kobe's able to put one in. Left-handed. He's put up a lot of shots in his career left-handed. Even Mark Cuban can afford to salute that one.
Doesn't have to start to do that.
Cut by Kobe. Oh, and Kid was bumping him. Kobe, the acrobatic finish. And a chance for a three-point play. That was sweet on Bryant.
Well, that's the top play of the day.
Not completely. Oh, Kobe Bryant with the reverse.
Tonight defensively for LA.
Bryant, yes! Serving up a facial on Yao Man. Standing ovation for Kobe Bryant. They continue to cheer.
Historic way to repeat a finish. Kobe down the middle, in the air, shows up a... Oh, he made it! 2.5 seconds left.
And the Lakers have taken a 2-0 lead in the best-of-7 Western semifinal.
Leaving it off, Kobe on the reverse. Do you believe this guy? He never saw it. Back to the basket.
He knows where it is.
What a play by Kobe again. Spectacular. 85. Lost it, recovered by Fisher. Now to 4. Here's Fisher with the jumper. Rebound. And he hits. 5 and 10 seconds remaining in this fourth quarter. And the Lakers have come from 10 back.
In control of the series. Utah came back down 0-2 last year to Houston in the first round. Bryant put it up on the glass for himself.
Yes, he did. That was sensational. He took the double team, split it, threw the ball off the backboard, and beat everyone to the rebound.
Will take out J.R. Reed. Will Rice miss it intentionally? He will. They lob it out. Tapped around and tapped up. Do you believe that?
That was one of the greatest plays I've ever seen.
Bryant to the basket, inside! Oh, what a finish from Bryant.
22
seconds to go. Lakers lead it by a point. Now 14 on the shot with 12. Sean, a running shot. No, rebound, Kobe Bryant puts it in. Kobe Bryant.
How good is this kid?
The Lakers take a 3-1 series lead to get it out.
Bryant. Oh! Foul! Serving up a facial on Jaren Jackson.
The power and the explosion of Kobe Bryant just takes off and accelerates the tremendous finish and listen to this crowd.
With 4, approaching 7 to play. Kobe Bryant. Not in your wildest imagination.
Look at this, gets the contact, has no idea where the basket is, but here's the whistle, so he shoots it at the basket. This is amazing. Look at Kobe Bryant. What a spectacular play. That might be the most sensational basket of the year.
Play. Shot clock is down to 5. Bryant goes to work. Bryant the drive. Oh! Kobe Bryant on a rack attack. Rejected by Chef. Kobe Bryant coming the other way. Will he attack? What a make! Will he attack? Yes, indeed.
Starting to take matters into his own hand, Van Horn. Now you got to get the same from Kerry Kittles.
With the snap and the facial.
Oh my gosh. Throw it down, Kobe. Throw it down.
Really good in return. And if I was a team out there and knew that the Knicks might want to trade him, man, I'd sure be trying to get him.
Great bench. Oh, Kobe Bryant! Card for human life! What a play! And the Los Angeles Lakers in the alley. Oh my God! Can you believe it? That was as good as it gets.
What a great pass and great finish.
Came up with it. Darren Williams by Kobe Bryant at the layup.
Headed for the playoffs. Peyton. Bryant out top against Patterson. Kobe cannot get Patterson in the air. A wild three. Hit it. Just when you think the basketball gods can't get any crueler.
No, I've told you before, this is not the guy you want to let shoot the shot in this building. Kobe Bryant ties the ball game up as only Kobe Bryant can do.
Bryant for 3.
Got it! 3 ball!
That's a big time shot. Be the star, son. Be the star.
This ball game is over. Look at the hustle of Lamar Odom. Off to Kobe Bryant!
And Kobe with emphasis.
Artest looking, gets it to Bryant. Bryant dribbling, has to put it up with the buzzer. Banks it in! He banks in the 3! And the Lakers win the game! And that is just greatness personified.
Now Bryant again, out between the rings, guarded by Pippen. Kobe on the move, lobs for O'Neal for the dunk. Kobe Bryant worked into the lane, and Shaq hammered it in with the right hand. Timeout, Portland.
The Lakers, because of this man, Kobe Bryant, can take over. Oh, my. And he posterizes Dwight Howard. Oh, boy. He almost threw his elbow into the basket that time.
Spurs cannot buy a triple. Kobe wheeling. What a play to Turiaf. And the foul. And a chance to tie. What a delivery by Kobe Bryant.
A 50-point game in his farewell. Bryant for 3. Got it all! One last gamer. Bryant on the move with the jumper. He got it! 58 points! And the Lakers lead! 60. Rotation of Bryant. Buckle up for Kobe! Kobe Bryant just sucked the gravity out of the target center. What a play!
The windmill slam.
Long run out by Kobe Bryant. Behind the back. Oh! What did I just see? You just saw what Kobe does best, and that's bring people to their feet with a sensational play. Then he got a dribble drive, change of direction by Bryant. Slam dunk.
Woo! You talk about elevation. Chick, he went up to the rafters before he decided to put somebody on a poster.
They'd love to get it into Nash's hands, and they do. Ball knocked away, stolen by Parker.
There it is.
Here comes George to Kobe Bryant. Bryant inside. It's good. It's good. Tie game. A 1-point game. Walton to tip it. Bryant with the save.
Oh, you got to get a shot here.
Final seconds. Bryant for the win. Bang!
Kobe Bryant has hit a shot at the buzzer!
4 away from Elgin Baylor's Laker record. For 3 again. Yes!
Well, there's 70.
Everybody wants it to get into Kobe's hand. Kobe pump fake for 2. Kobe's got the Laker record. 81-point game. Ladies and gentlemen, you have witnessed the second greatest scoring performance in NBA history.
You guys enjoyed that Kobe Bryant footage. Yeah, man, it's just it's a sad day in America. This day will never, ever, ever be forgotten. Everybody just online and the presence around the world right now is just crazy. I know everybody's just blown away by the things at hand. It's an unfortunate thing of events. I haven't been all the way like it's crazy because like I literally opened my eyes. Like I got up early this morning, like 6 a.m., did some online reading, did some stuff, and I went back to sleep, lay down for a little bit. Couldn't really, I was kind of tossing and turning, so I, kind of watched a couple of vlogs on YouTube and woke up around, I want to say 11:30 this morning. And the first thing I seen, I went on Google, because I was Googling some things. I was taking care of some business for one of my real estate properties and seen Kobe Bryant dies in helicopter crash. You know, you always see like weird things on like Facebook. It was like it's when it had first just initially happened and broke. And I literally, I sat up, I Googled Kobe Bryant, and it's like the story had been posted for 6 minutes, and it's just crazy, man. Like, it's still just tragic, with his daughter in the car, in the helicopter, and my heart goes out to his wife and his other kids and his family, his friends, colleagues, people he's just helped in his life. It's just, we love you, Kobe, for real. We love you, and at the end of the day, we love you, and we're gonna carry this Mamba legacy. I will always remember things. I just being a kid, taught us work ethic, work hard, work. Kobe was taking thousands of shots a day, and just working. You never can give up, just fight. And so, knowing that and having that that mindset, it kind of just, it's a beautiful thing to understand and to have someone be able to live and experience a great legend as he was. We lost 2 important individuals, Nipsey and Kobe, in the last year, and it's just crazy. But when they're alive, I always say it, man, cherish them. Cherish the ones that are alive. The Floyd Mayweathers, the Jay-Z's, these guys have created, Nas, and all these guys that we just grew up and we watched, Allen Iverson. It's funny when it's a meme, but people make memes and stuff, I don't really, because I feel like, the way the world is, people they don't appreciate you when you're around, and when you're gone, they want to mourn, but appreciate people while they're still here. Appreciate these kings, man. We got kings walking the earth, and people are just taking advantage of their greatness. So, man, the vlog on that, man. I just left the gym. I had to get a good workout in. I'm about to get some food. I gotta feed my body, feed my mental, and I'm gonna go kiss Queen. I'm gonna go kiss her, and I'm gonna hug her tight, man. And Momo and Jacoby, Daddy loves you more than anything in the world. You guys are far from me right now, but Daddy loves you more than anything in the world. And never forget that. I love you more than anything. In the vlog now, like this video, subscribe, like I said, down below, comment what was your favorite Kobe Bryant moment. What do you remember about Kobe? Other than that, I'm Tasman Holloway, signing out. Peace.